Precision does not begin in the factory. It begins in nature. This is where the raw material for Granitan was also extracted in 1976. To this day, natural stone forms the basis for every STUDER cylindrical grinding machine. The chip sizes are measured out precisely according to STUDER's own formula, bound with epoxy resin, and cast into molds. The casting molds are prepared and assembled with the utmost care. This results in machine bases that already contain all channels, lines, and threads in the casting. Thanks to its excellent vibration damping and high temperature stability, Granitan provides a reliable foundation. This benefits the grinding process, greater process reliability, higher speed, and maximum accuracy. In 1976, STUDER took a radical step, away from grey cast iron and toward Granitan.
An important milestone was actually the beginning, when the first machine bases were manufactured using this Granitan technology. And of course, for a traditional machine manufacturing company like STUDER, it was very unusual to suddenly be working with gravel, adhesive, mixing machines, and vibrating tables. Naturally, the workforce was very skeptical about this process.
The results were revolutionary. Shorter delivery times, higher process stability, and more reliable quality for our customers.
You have to realize that Granitan allows for much more than a grey cast iron base, because with Granitan, it is possible to incorporate preparatory work into the base, such as piping and cables, due to the relatively cold processing. This is an essential feature. The original recipe, developed in collaboration with the joint venture, has remained largely unchanged. Of course, the research work provided opportunities to adapt the secret formula. In the future, we can expect to see more sensor technology in the machine base, be it for temperature measurement or force sensors, which we can then use to actively work on the machine base, so to speak.
At the factory in Steffisburg, Granitan beds are turned into high-precision machines. STUDER guideways and meticulous assembly create the basis for dimensional and positional accuracy right from the beginning. For our customers, this means smoother processes, fewer corrections, more stable cycles, and surface finishes that set new standards.